My name is Jelle Postma, and together with three other colleagues, we run the Facility of General Instrumentation, which is part of the Faculty of Science at the Radboud University in Nijmegen. And we are a service facility, and we host a number of advanced measurement devices that are slightly too complicated or too involving for individual research groups to maintain and to use. So they place the machines in our facility, and we maintain them and train people on them and even use them for making measurements. And the idea is that everybody from the Faculty of Science is allowed to use the machines, and we guide the users, we train them on the machines, and we even help them interpreting the data, preparing figures, and basically placing this data inside of the scientific context that the people work in. So one of the techniques that we employ in the general instrumentation facility is electron microscopy. In this case, I'm sitting in front of a scanning electron microscope. And the technique is using electrons instead of photons to perform microscopy. And since electrons have a much smaller wavelength than photons, you're able to reveal much more detailed structures in the sample that you put inside of the machine. So the machine I'm standing in front of now is called an autoanalyzer, and it's used to detect particular chemicals in different samples. So what happens is people come to us with samples from the soil all around the country, and we put the samples into this sort of robotic machine. It's led into this analyzer machine, which interprets the color, and based on the amount of color, we can say in the end how much nitrogen was in the original sample. This is a light microscope, which uses light to reveal fluorescent structures inside of samples. But specifically, we use a laser to go into the sample and reveal only the single slice that we are interested in. So what we can do is use light and fluorescent molecules to reveal the 3D structure of samples. And the samples can be alive, or they can be materials that have never been alive before. Those were a few of the devices that we have here. There are many others. And if you're interested in figuring out what we have on offer, do visit our website, give us a call, and we hope to see you here in the Department of General Instrumentation.